Hello, you are welcome to solve this nice math problem. S plus y is equal to 30, then xy is equal to 30. Solution. Then here we have s plus y is equal to 30. Let us call this equation 1. And sy is equal to 30. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, s plus y is equal to 30. Then y is equal to 30 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 30. Now let us substitute for y, which is this. We have s bracket 30 minus s is equal to 30. Let's open the bracket. S multiplied by 30. 30x minus s multiplied by x. S squared is equal to 30. We have 30 s minus s squared minus 30 is equal to 0. And this is minus s squared plus 30x minus 30 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by -1. Then here we have minus s squared divided by -1. This is s squared. Then 30x divided by -1. This is minus 30x. Then minus 30 divided by -1. This will be plus 30 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. Quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. S is equal to minus bracket minus 30 plus or minus square root of then b squared, that is minus 30 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 30 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus multiplied by minus 30. This is 30 plus or minus square root of minus 30 square. That is 900 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 30. That is 120 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 900 minus 120. That is 780 over 2. S is equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 780 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 195 over 2. S is equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Then root 195 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 15. S is equal to 15 plus or minus square root of 195 Then S1 is equal to 15 plus root 195, and S2 is equal to 15 minus square root of 195. These are the values of S. We've gotten the value of S. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y, then from equation 3, Y is equal to 30 minus X. Y1 is equal to 30 minus S1 is equal to S1 is 15 plus root 195. Y1 is equal to 30 minus 15 minus square root of 195. If we open the bracket with this negative 1, then Y1 is equal to 30 minus 15. This is 15 minus square root of 195. This is the value of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 30 minus S2 is 15 minus square root of 195. Y2 is equal to 30 minus 15 plus root 195. Y2 is equal to 30 minus 15. This is 15 plus square root of 195. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 15 plus square root of 195, 15 minus square root of 195. Also, S2, Y2 is equal to 15 minus square root of 195, 15 plus square root of 195. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S plus Y is equal to 30. Sy is equal to 30. Let us consider this. S plus Y, this is 15 plus root 195 plus 15 minus root 195 must be equal to 30. This cancel this. 15 plus 15, this is 30, is equal to 30, which is true. Now let's consider this. 15 plus root 195 multiplied by 15 minus root 195 must be equal to 30. Then here we have 15 times 15 multiplied by 15. That is 225. Then minus 15 multiplied by root 195. This is 15 root 195 plus here root 195 multiplied by 15. This is 15 root 195. Then plus root 195 multiplied by minus root 195. That is minus 195 must be equal to 30. Then this, cancel this. We have 225 minus 195 must be equal to 30. 225 minus 195, this is 30, is equal to 30, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.